When an engineer is faced with the challenge of designing the drive system for a new application, a common problem is matching the speed of the drive to the true needs of the application. Normally, the nominal speeds available for standard motors are much higher, 3000 RPM, 1500 RPM, etc., than those needed for the application, 200 RPM, 400 RPM, etc. Traditionally, this speed mismatch has been solved by using various mechanical components, such as gearboxes, pulleys, belts, etc., which, through a reduction ratio, allow speed to be reduced and available torque to be increased. These mechanical parts, in addition to having an economic cost, have high maintenance requirements, are very inefficient, and introduce accuracy problems due to their mechanical backlash. The direct drive concept aims to eliminate these elements from the kinematic chain and directly couple the motor to its load. To eliminate the mechanical elements, a motor capable of working at low speed and providing high torque is needed. Thus, the direct drive philosophy can be very complicated to implement if we use standard motors, which usually have nominal speeds of 3000 RPM, 2P, or 1500 RPM, 4P. VASCAT motors are available in a wide variety of speed ratings. By customizing its winding, the same motor can be manufactured with various nominal speeds, between 200 and 3000 RPM approximately, maintaining the same nominal torque. By choosing the appropriate motor winding, it is possible to adjust the motor speed to the true speed of the application. In this way, the consumption of the motor will be lower than that of a standard motor, and size of the inverter drive can also be optimized as well. The application of the direct drive concept, as employed by VASCAT motors, allows us to improve the drive systems, providing several advantages: increased system efficiency, mechanical simplification, total cost reduction, reduction of maintenance needs, reduction of the size of the inverter, increased control precision. VASCAT is the ideal partner to implement direct drive concepts, thanks to its wider range of fully customizable motors, for example, hollow shaft, frameless, trussed bearings, etc., and professional and personalized support during all design stages. Please do not hesitate to contact us for your next project.